Hey, how's it going? My name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest car dealership in the country, and now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now in this video, I want to talk about the purge. The purge of cars that you should do in your life. The cars that you should cut out from your life and never even touch them. Don't look at them. All of these cars will have one thing in common. That's planned obsolescence. So what that means is these cars are purposefully built with low quality parts, or they're designed in such a way that they're gonna break on purpose. I'm gonna give you the list. You ready? Let's do this. All of European cars, BMWs, Mercedes, Volvo, Fiats, Alfa Romeos, whatever you want to think of, all of these cars are made with shit electronics, or sometimes even shit transmissions. So they're made to break after 4 or 5, 6 years after somebody leased them, and now the second-hand owner is gonna bring that car with an issue to a dealership. Dealership is gonna make money, and the car manufacturer is gonna make money because they make parts and they're gonna sell them the part. So these cars are just really bad. Don't buy them. These manufacturers purposefully make shit cars. That's it. Next are gonna be Dodge, Ram, Jeep, Chrysler. The reason you want to stay from these car manufacturers is because they're owned by Fiat. Fiat is a European car manufacturer. So they used to be okay. Jeeps used to be okay. Dodges used to be okay. Chrysler was pretty decent. But right now, Chrysler is planning to do bankruptcy. Dodge is out of business. They're going to be doing bankruptcy next couple of years. I mean, their models of cars are non-existent. Chrysler went from making a lot of cars to making only 2 cars. What is that? What the hell is going on? I'll tell you what's going on. It's because they got bought out by shit car manufacturers, which is Fiat, and their quality went down the hill. That's it. They make shit transmissions with shit electronics. On one of the car reviews, Dodge's Dart door handle fell off. Googled it. That shit is real. When your car that people are getting reviewed is falling apart while it's being reviewed, that's not a good sign. Next. Chevy. The reason I tell Chevy is bad is because their electronics are not great again. And why would you buy a Chevy when you can go out and buy a Japanese car? I mean, Chevy, the only thing you can buy from Chevy is their trucks. That's it. Even Chevy Escalade has huge problems with their electronics in their dash. The radio, navigation, heating, cooling, all that shit. It's so bad, Consumer Reports talked about it. If Consumer Reports is pointing out this problem, there might be a problem. That's a red flag. You don't go for that shit box. Stay away from especially Escalade. They're really, really bad. If you think that all Japanese cars are made equally, absolutely not. There are some Japanese cars that are absolute shit. Even one brand can make shit cars and good cars, literally. So let's get started with Acura. Acura SUVs are extremely bad. Do not buy Acura SUVs. Since the very beginning of Acura making SUVs, SUVs from Acura had shit transmissions, plan of obsolescence. Why would they put shit transmissions in their car? Very simple, because it's a $60,000, $40,000, $45,000, $50,000 SUV. Whoever is going to be buying it is wealthy enough to buy that car, lease it, have it for 3 or 4 years, and because they make plenty of money, they're going to return that car or sell it to somebody else or trade it in. Now the second owner is going to be driving that car and they're going to have problems with it. The dealership is going to make money from putting new transmissions in. The manufacturer is going to make a lot of money by selling these transmissions. So manufacturers, specifically Acura in this scenario here, make really shit transmissions on their SUVs. Do not buy SUVs from Acura. You can only buy sedans. And the only sedans you can buy from Acura would be large sedans. That would be RL, TL, and mostly those 2 brands. Here's the thing. They have an ILX, and ILX is so bad that it's made its way onto shittiest cars to own from Consumer Reports. I mean, so many people were just disappointed with this car. It was unbelievable. And it's an Acura. Not all Asian cars are made the same. Next one is going to be Nissan. Nissan is bad because of their transmissions. Again, they have shit transmissions. Not only it's a CVT, but it's an unreliable CVT. Why are Nissan transmissions so bad? because it's owned by Renault. Nissan used to make good cars, but since they got bought out by Renault, Renault owns 43% of Nissan. That's a huge amount of company. Imagine if 43% of your food came from McDonald's. How healthy would you be? Probably not very healthy. Imagine that 43% of Nissan, Japanese car manufacturer, is owned by Renault. Yeah, that's a shit company. Just don't go for Nissans. Next brand is gonna be Infiniti. The only cars you should buy from Infiniti is gonna be their sedans. Their SUVs are really bad with transmissions. They actually were so bad that they had to do a recall and fix the problem on millions of cars. So Infiniti, sedans only, or 2 doors, that's it. Q50, Q60, Q40, G35, G37, those are the only cars to buy. Everything else, just stay away from it. That's not the worst one. Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi gave us phenomenal cars. They gave us Mitsubishi Evolution, which was a car designed by Jesus himself. He gave it to us mere mortals. But then Mitsubishi got bought out by fucking Renault and they got turned to shit. Any car that gets touched by European car manufacturers gets turned to shit. That's just the bottom truth. And last but not least, in fact, I think it should be in the beginning of this shit car list, is Subaru. They're using Boxster engines that are designed to fail. You will have gasket problems at 70, 80, and 90,000 miles with the Subaru. All of their engines use the same shit Boxster engine. I made a video just about Subaru and how shitty it is and how they actually scammed the world for $7 billion. Well, not the world, only America, you know. It's only us. We have plenty of money to give away. Watch the video about Subaru right here. That's how bad they are. I actually made a video about how unreliable they are. I don't care how good their commercials is. I don't care how hard of a hipster you think you are. If you like your money, don't buy a Subaru. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up below and click the subscribe button over my head, or watch one of those 2 videos if you want to see more money saving tips about cars. This is Dan with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out and I'll see you on the internet.